I have this real big pet peeve. So I went on eBay, got these JDM door check rebuild kit. Yeah, we're ready. Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna be fixing these door checks. That's funny. When this said that it was JDM, I thought this would be in Japanese. All right, so we got the door check out. The gap in here is massive. Let's go do the other ones. It's not supposed to wobble like this. So I'm gonna tear it apart. Once you have those 4 tabs bent out of the way and you remove the cover, now it's time to actually take out the white and black inserts and replace them with the new one from the set. Have the spacer, the checkers, and the lube. And so the way you took it out of the door check is how you're gonna install it. But if it's not tight enough, you can insert the spacer to get a tighter pull on your door. All right, now that we have it back in place, let's test it out. So it's supposed to stop. Feels like a brand new door. And that's how you fix your door checks. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.